Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5798 East Lake Road on beautiful Seneca Lake.
This is a Seneca Lake dream home in prestigious Lakeshore Landing.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Welcome to the lake in this modern and sleek designed contemporary home that greets you with phenomenal open living featuring a vaulted ceiling foyer with beautiful Brazilian cherry floors, leading to the light and bright quartz kitchen with soft close brookwood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a 2-story ceiling, and an expansive center island breakfast bar that opens to the great room with a wall of windows with deck access, all with breathtaking lake views.
Enjoy waking up overlooking the lake in this first floor primary suite with deck access and a stunning bathroom with a tile shower with a custom river rock floor, perfect for unwinding after a long day at the lake.
Friends and family will enjoy the vaulted ceiling guest room with access to the patio and Brazilian cherry floors, leading to the full bathroom and third bedroom with a smartly designed laundry area. And the space continues upstairs with a spacious water view bedroom and updated full bathroom, plus a convenient bunk room over the garage with a lake view. In total, this waterfront home has 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The space is perfect for lake friends and family.
This architect-designed property has quality craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
This is waterfront entertaining right on the lake, with an expansive maintenance-free deck with modern steel cable railings, leading to the vast stone beach area, and permanent dock with a boat station and sunbathing area with panoramic lake views. Imagine the unforgettable times you'll have at the lake.
This spectacular waterfront property has million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views, to the south, west, and north. They're just spectacular. Lakeshore Landing is a very special community in the heart of wine country on the east side of beautiful Seneca Lake.
This waterfront community enjoys private access to a 184-foot beach and boat launch with nearby Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5798 East Lake Road on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!